Look at this question number 7. A manufacturer sells a TV to a dealer and the dealer is selling it to a consumer at a profit of 1500. Means here three persons are involved: manufacturer, dealer and consumer. Okay, manufacturer is selling it to dealer at 18,000 and dealer is making a profit of 1500, so he will sell at 19,500. So when dealer is buying it from manufacturer, he has to pay some GST, that is input GST, and when he is selling he will receive some GST from consumer, that is output GST. Input will be divided into two parts, that is CGST and SGST. Similarly, output will be divided into two parts, that is CGST and SGST, because the sale is intra-state sale. So GST rate is given 12%. So it will be divided into two parts, that is 6% of 18,000, that is 1080, and SGST will be 1080 only. Here also 6% of 19500, you will get 1170, and SGST will be 1170. Now the question arises, who will pay to state government and central government? Who will pay to state government and central government? Manufacturer, dealer or the consumer? Listen, consumer is paying tax to dealer, dealer is paying tax to manufacturer, and manufacturer is paying to state or central government. Okay, so it is clear, it is totally clear that manufacturer will pay to state government and manufacturer will also pay to central government. But listen, dealer is making some profit. How much? The profit is rupees 1500. So he has to pay some tax, he has to pay some GST to state and central government. Okay, so here manufacturer will also pay something, dealer will also pay something, but consumer is not paying directly to government. He is paying to government but indirectly. Okay, but manufacturer and dealer both are paying directly to the state government and central government. Now the question arises, how much dealer will pay? The dealer is giving GST 1080, means CGST and SGST, and dealer is collecting 1170. So he has to pay, the dealer will pay how much? Dealer will pay 1170 minus 1080 equals to 90 rupees he has to pay to state government and 90 to central government. Let me tell you something. You have heard this term, that is tax liability. How you have calculated? You have calculated it as SGST percent of profit, isn't it? Profit. So SGST was 6%. So 6% of profit is 1500. You will get rupees 90. Okay, you can directly calculate this 90 like this also. Similarly, CGST will be also rupees 90. So state government will receive how much? Manufacturer will pay him rupees 1080 and dealer will pay him rupees 90. So state government will receive 1080 plus 90, and similarly central government will also receive 1080 plus 90 rupees. So first question was GST paid by dealer to state government. State government, dealer is paying how much to state government? He is paying rupees 90 to the state government. So first answer will be 90. Second one is GST received by central government. Central government is receiving how much? This 1080 plus 90. So it is cleared why we are adding these two, because the central government is receiving GST from manufacturer and the dealer. GST paid by state government, it will be same only. Next is amount paid by consumer. Now the question arises, how much consumer will pay? Consumer is paying 19500 plus he has to pay this output GST, output CGST and output SGST. So he will pay 1170 plus 1170 plus 19500 amount. Okay, I hope it is cleared.